Hello DIY lovers, you're welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today we are at Zaishwal DIY studio and we want to decorate and upgrade the walls. It's been so long I ever touched this place, but you can see how it is. It's not looking great at all. We need to change this. See this wall design? I actually did this like 7 years back. Oh my god. Alright, I don't think we would be removing this today since it wouldn't be hindering our design, but we would just cover it up. But yeah, see the names as well. Oh my god. Alright. However, I was so in love with this design. I'm still so in love with it, but it needs to go. We are upgrading. Yeah, so let's start with the prepping, removing of what needs to be removed and all, so as to get the space to do whatever we want to do. Alright, this wall is very soft. That is why you can see I don't even need a tool. I just remove it with my hands and wow. Finally done with this side of the wall. It's so clean now. Alright, onto the other side of the wall. But before then, these are the things we're going to use as scissors, elastic gum, wool, the white and brown paper. We have 12 brown papers here and 25 white papers. And now to the most important part of the wall here in the studio. This is where we keep our notes, our notices, just all the reminders we need. But this is very strong, so I need a hammer. And this hammer is quite heavy, so we would use that edge to see. Oh my god. No ways, I'm about to fall, guys. Oh my god. Alright, I think using this method would be better. Yes, but still, even this one is still very strong. Oh my god, how did I even do this? And I was the one that fixed it. Wow, very strong, guys. The same build in different walls. Wow. Alright, still struggling there. Finally. And now to the simplest part of it all, because it has been fixed with just gum. See how it went off, revealing our ugly wall. Oh my god, what a shame. We need to cover this up ASAP. Alright, and now to the prepping of our papers. We are beginning with the brown paper, and here I'm just prepping it so as to divide all into halves. Here I'm testing with just 10 of the brown papers because I don't really know how many papers would be able to cover up the walls. I was just guessing, so I brought out the numbers I brought out, but now I'm only cutting out 10 of them, which gave me 20 pieces at the end of the day. And now, yeah, you can see I want to now begin applying the gum on it, which is what we would use to fasten it to the walls. Done with the first set. Mind you, I off the fan before I begin applying the gum. So now I want to begin to fasten them to the walls accordingly. Before I begin this process, I kind of measured with my eyes and then cut out the papers to where I think they should be. So put that in mind. But this process, oh my god, it's just so fulfilling. I love everything about it. It's just so nice. And note that this place I made a mistake. I want to straighten them up. So I uplifted the paper. You can see how smoothly it's coming up without the paint dragging with it or anything. And that is why using elastic gum is actually nice. Even the other side you can see. So you're able to have the flexibility to adjust whenever a mistake is made. And that is so cool. And the other thing I want you to note is that for these brown papers, you don't even need to know which side is which. Just do it and everything will just blend in well. I don't even know which side is which, but everything came out superb at the end of the day. Finally done with our brown papers. See how cute it came out. Oh my god. My sister said that this place is just so cute like this the way it is. I said no girl, we are adding in the white papers. Oh my god, but honestly I also am loving this so much. It's so cool. Guys, see. Wow. Now note how I made another mistake here and the papers aren't straight, so I'll have to uplift the papers still to adjust it, and you see it doesn't have any problem being that it is also the white paper. The other time it was the brown paper against the wall, now it's the white paper against the white paper and the black and the brown paper, and as you can see nothing do it like everything came out well, but we have some concerns. See this stains, the gum stains. All right, we are going to use this spray. This is a spray paint. We are going to use the white spray paint to cover up all these things, so at the end of the day if it dries off it will blend in with the papers and it would be flawless. And now, finally, guys, to our decoration. See our roses. All right, I'm going to make a video showing you how I made this rose, and this is the second video I'm telling you I'll make this. But this time around, finally, I will make it. And we are also making use of the pin, those office pins. We just fasten them. Wow, guys, can you see? All right, let me show you how I am making them. We'll just take our pin and fasten it to the back of a rose, as you can see. Yeah. All right, then we would take the pointed part of it and stick to the wall, and that is all. Very simple. And now the reveal. As you enjoy the review, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more of contents like this and even better ones. Thank you. By the way, we make and sell beads. As you can see over there, our waist beads. We can customize it to the size you want, the color, everything. We give in wholesale and retail. Make sure you patronize us. They're lovely, and we deliver nationwide if you're in Nigeria. So meet you on Instagram, or you can just message or call me through this number on the screen and you get it.